C3 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Obviously T-top car. Now when you see the black paint on this one, if you're familiar with Corvettes, you know this has had a repaint along the line. 1976 black was not an available color on a C3 Corvette. Interior appears to be original though. Dark fire thorn. Exterior would have been originally a mahogany metallic. 350 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. It is paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay, interior undersides of this car. There's probably close to 100 pictures online of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. It's kind of tough to get the pictures in the camera to do this car justice as far as with the black. It does have a nice luster to it. Now, as with any black car, you are going to notice some imperfections, light scratches in the clear. This particular one does have the little kind of spider webbing, a little bit of stress up in that front bumper cover, if you will, or front fascia. You're going to have a few, if you can see that, we have little touch-ups along the line. But as far as one, you want to be able to get in and drive it, still look good in any of the roll-ins, cruise-ins that are in your area, local shows. Still be a fun one for that. Did play around with some of the options on this car before doing the video. Horn works, wipers work, headlights go up and down fine. One thing I did notice is the stereo powers up but did not have any sound, and I believe that's probably because they had some speakers originally wired in here. It does have speaker wires going to the rear in the kind of the luggage compartment, if you will, so I'm guessing you'd hook up a couple wedge speakers or a couple speakers back there. It would be fine. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now you see the luggage rack on the back of this one. Take a look over here. You have the solid black T-tops. Did take them out for the pictures, also have them in for the pictures so you can see it both ways at the stills. They are sitting on the bags they can go in, and if you see the brackets there, those brackets go on the luggage rack, so you can actually store them going down the road. Now, I have not seen a strap, but I do believe that there is a strap that goes along with that to hold them on, and I believe they still produce those brackets and straps, FYI. And again, still pictures. If you want to take a look at the engine bay, T-tops on, underside of this car, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Obviously, dual exhaust coming out the rear. It's a good sounding car. We're going to start it up here in just a second so you can hear it run. Take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see the black paint does have a nice reflection coming off of it. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, some, light scratching in the clear, maybe some touch-ups up front. And it is black, so take that into consideration. One thing I like to tell people is we do have a open door policy to a third-party inspector. Somebody to come look at this car, give you a third opinion of it compared to what you think of pictures and videos online. What I've went through here and showed you, not a problem. Have them stop in if you can't make it yourself. Dark Firethorn interior, which would be the correct color for this car. Has had a little seat repair right here in that area. But again, shows nicely if it's one you want to jump in, go and drive. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. See how easily it starts. I'm going to go ahead and flip the headlights up so you can see those up. There's the aftermarket stereo that I was talking about. AM, FM cassette. But like I said, I do believe you'd want some speakers hooked up in the rear. I noticed the tack. And a little hit and miss. looking good now. Earlier, it was just seemed like it was inaccurate. It still was going up and down. Now it looks like it's much more accurate. Oil pressure gauge, battery, fuel. Assuming the water temp will come up. Clock is not working. It does have the owner's manual in there. Take a look at the dash. There was a little dinger up here I noticed where the speaker goes, and then some light cracking right there. You'll be able to see that all in the pics also. Alright. And again, windshield wipers worked, horn worked. The AC does have AC, power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC compressor was not hooked up, so may need a little TLC to get the AC blowing cold. Slip around to the back. Sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that 350. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to show you the headlights do go up and down, are working. There you go. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wind up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the 350. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. New master cylinder. So of course, power steering and power brakes both. See, it's a smooth running 350. Rear shield in place. Little chrome dress up underneath there. Flip around to this side. Very smooth running. Also quiet. Nice little rumble coming out of that exhaust. There you go. Z3 Corvette, 1976 variety. Black coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.